set to guide you through a delightful drawing session. Get your artistic tools ready as we embark on crafting an adorable elephant together. Begin by sketching a large, rounded body. Add a smaller oval on top for the head. Elephants are known for their distinctive trunks, so draw a long, curved line extending downward for this feature. Capture their expressive eyes with two small circles and extend a sturdy trunk from the head. For the ears, draw large, fan-like shapes on either side of the head. Elephants have thick legs, so sketch 4 sturdy lines extending down from the body, and add some wrinkles to denote their unique texture. Don't forget to include a tail at the back to complete the basic elephant form. Let's add some details to breathe life into our elephant. Draw lines within the ears to indicate their texture, add a few wrinkles on the body. Create a friendly expression by adding a gentle curve for the mouth and a small eye highlight. Now comes the fun part, playing with colors. Elephants can be gray, but let your imagination run wild. Experiment with different shades to make your elephant vibrant and full of character. Share your elephant drawings in the comments. I'm excited to see your creative interpretations. If you enjoyed this artistic journey, consider subscribing for more thrilling drawing adventures. Keep those creative vibes flowing, and I can't wait to witness the enchanting creations you'll bring to life with your elephant drawings. Until next time.